The secret is the law of attraction. Under the law of attraction, the complete order of the universe is determined, including everything that comes into your life and everything that you experience. It does so through the magnetic power of your thoughts. Through the law of attraction, like attracts like. What you think about, you bring about. How is this so? Under laboratory conditions, cutting-edge science has confirmed that every thought is made up of energy and has its own unique frequency. And when this energy and frequency of a single thought radiates out into the universe, it naturally interacts with the material world. Of course, it has long been known that matter, or physical objects, are also just packets of energy at the sub-microscopic, quantum level. And so, as your thought radiates out, it attracts the energy and frequencies of like thoughts, like objects, and even like people, and draws those things back to you. It follows then that your thoughts become things. It's the law of attraction. How to harness this all-powerful and universal law of attraction in order to create the life of your dreams? Well now, that is the secret. Learn how to use the law of attraction in every aspect of your life in Rhonda Byrne's groundbreaking book, The Secret. Use the law of attraction in your life. Click here.